Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is the Black & Decker cordless screwdriver. This screwdriver here I bought from Argos. You can buy it online in other retailers including Amazon, but I found it for around £20 in Argos. My old screwdriver has officially died, so I needed a new replacement. This one here, the reason why I liked it, comes in a metal tin, so you can put it back in here. It should be safe. Also comes with included 20 pieces for the screwdriver, so these are 20 bits, and it has a 180 rpm where my previous one had 130, and it has a 35 lumens LED light. There's not much around the box, so we won't need to really look at it. At the back it only just says that you need to be cautious that there is a flammable battery in here if you keep it in the wrong temperatures. So let's just quickly open it up. Let's just open it up. So as you can see, it's a nice metal tin. It's all silver with Black & Decker at the front. The rest is all clear. There's nothing on the back, on the sides. So it's a nice little tin. You open this up. So the first thing you'll see is the manual once you open it up, and this has the warranty guide on it. It's nothing important, it's fairly self-explanatory. Looking at the actual unit itself, you get a cardboard top. This is just to protect it. First thing you're introduced to is the charger itself. So you get a 3.6 milliamp charger. This charger, it's a bit annoying, it's a proprietary charger, so you can't just use any charging brick like I did with my previous one. So yeah, you need to make sure you keep this one safe. It has a LED indicator to show that it's charging and when it's fully charged. Then you get your 20 bits of screws, drivers. So you got 20 in two separate units, and they come in these nice little rubber cases that are flexible, so they're pretty nice. Other than that, once you remove this, you get the actual screwdriver itself. So let's just move the tin out the way. So taking out the screwdriver for the first time, it's got a solid ABS plastic to it with rubber coating at the front where the drill bit is, and this is the LED light. So turn on the LED light, there's a button at the back. You press this, and as you can see, the light comes on. It's not too powerful, but it does the job. So at the moment it literally looks like a handgun. As you can hear, there is power. To make it straight like a normal screwdriver, to get into more narrow gaps, you push this button down and you flip. As you can see, it shows a little lock and unlock sign. So this is having it straight. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Other than that, at the top you have for clockwise and anti-clockwise screw driving, so to take the screws in and pull them out. That's about it. Fairly straightforward with this one. I'm going to be using this quite a lot because I do a lot of work around the house and for my mates. So I'll let you lot know if this is any good and if it's worth the 20 quid, because you can get cheaper ones for around £10–12, and you get more expensive ones for around 40. But I'll let you lot know how this one is. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe would be great. Thumbs up on the video. I appreciate it, and there's a lot more videos coming. Peace out, guys.